from Namibia. I work for Namibian Institute of Pathology as a medical scientist. To South Africa, I came just to know more about whole genomic sequencing for the SARS-CoV pandemic that is going around. And since we don't have the facilities and the equipment that are needed back home, I basically came to see what is needed or what do we need to put in place so that we can do it back home. The experience has been good since most of the times we sit in the lab, and lab work is what I do every day, so I enjoy most the lab part of it. And to see how busy these people can get into, I feel like we really need to learn as much as we can so that we can be able to somehow remove the burden on them. So what I have grasped should be more than enough for us to be able to set up the whole genomic sequencing in our lab back home. And I think once we start doing it for surveillance and monitoring purposes of the development of new variants and new lineages, we might be able to pick up that. As the experience goes, then maybe we'll be able to find something new earlier than South Africa, hopefully.